Good morning, everyone, on this cold day. Okay, so I owe you all this discussion on the HR Bus 83 onion. Um, okay, so just to clarify, all right, so this is not the research onion. I will also speak to that in this short video that I make, but this is an onion on how to understand how to do this whole research project that you are busy with at the moment. Okay, let me get the point there. Okay, so in assignment two, so assignment one, remember, doesn't speak to it. We're looking at the outside of this onion, right? We're looking at the soil where it's planted in. We look at the environment where it's planted in. What is the optimal conditions? What can we use instead of an onion? All of that. In assignment three, you need to understand where does this onion as a resource fit into your value chain, right? So to do that, you need to understand who are the people that is involved with an onion. So you would see that one of the people that is involved with an onion is a farmer. Also, who's involved with the onion is um, the fresh produce market. Who's involved with the onion is the informal traders, the shops who buy it, and even yourself when you buy a packet of onions. Okay, so when we observe these stakeholders, we also note that if you leave onions in the packet that they come in, you still think you have an onion, and then you have a rotten onion. Nice and soggy, rotten onion. That is a problem. But the problem is not the onion per se. The problem is packaging, right? And that's the white part of this onion that you see in front of you. It's the packaging that is not conducive for the onion to stay fresh. This is a problem that affects all the stakeholders we have spoken to. It might even include the mayor, right? But the mayor of the city doesn't care that onions are hot, or she might care, but she won't give you that insight. Remember, the insight that we got came from the stakeholders. And who were those stakeholders? Were the people that use the onions. Okay. And that is what you need to do. You need to unpack this assignment. And remember that this assignment, all the assignments in HR Bus are packed together and into one neat package. They all speak to each other. As a group, you need to all work together to, in the end, submit a proposal, a 5-minute pitch that addresses the specific problem. Now, if our problem is packaging, right? Packaging has got a wider effect on everything, on many of the SDGs. Packaging makes food more expensive. Packaging, it destroys the oceans and in different aspects of the environment. Packaging has got a big ripple effect, but it also, on the other hand, so it's a kind of a paradox, right? Packaging, because it's a very bad thing in the one way, there's single-use plastic packaging, and on the other hand, it does create jobs. But now, how do we solve this rotten onion problem? Even mealies, right? I've got a pet peeve about mealies being packaged. They open them a little bit, most those yellow ones. They pull a few off, they cut off the edges, then they take an already packaged thing and they package it into a nice plastic container and then wrap plastic over, and you can see how nicely dried out the mealies are. So we sit with the problem of packaging in this whole thing. So, how do we solve this problem? First, we need to confirm that this is a problem. This is my problem that I observed. So, in this assignment, you're going to say, okay, we assume that people, Dr. Standard's age, or consumers all have the same problem with single-use plastic. They can have a problem with onions rotting or a moral problem with mealies being packaged. So You see, there's a few problems that are coming out in this discussion. Now we need to confirm them. And how do we do that? We do that by speaking to people. And what are we doing? I haven't given you a solution to this, right? Because what do? I am confirming the problem. Now you're going to do interviews. Who do we speak to? Generally, people Dr. Standard's age. Okay. We need to ascertain whether they have had this problem. So we're not selling them something. So what have you spent your last 500 Rand on at the grocery shop? Okay. And now you can go a bit out of the script. Okay. So, did you buy onions? So, which type of onions do you like? In this onion buying process, what problems have you seen? Do you buy cut vegetables? You buy vegetable mealies based on the way they look, or just take mealies and pop them in the pot. So, there's different ways of speaking to the problem because we don't want to tell them, what do you think about the packaging? We never want to do that. Okay, we want to ascertain what the problem is. So we need to unpack it. Now we see, okay, we did these interviews. This problem is more for Dr. Standard and younger people than older people like Millie's being in nice packages. They like the onions already cut, so they don't have the same problems that we have. All right, now we go and break it down. Okay, Dr. Standard and younger until 18. Remember, 18 to 65. Now, the next set of interviews, we zoom into this market a little bit. Okay. Now we say, all right, we speak to them. Now we see, all right, it is the specifically a bigger problem for women than for men. I'm not saying that you don't have the same problem, it's just an example. All right, it's more of a problem for Generation Z than Generation X or whatever your thing is. And you will go down and to understand who has got this problem better and better, and you will come there. Now you say, all right, now we know this problem affects women in age 30 to 45 the most. Okay. All right. Now, how do we solve that problem? And that is where your business comes in. Okay. So, what are the pains and how do we solve those pains? Now, you need to come up with a solution and you need to do a 5-minute pitch on how you are going to solve this problem and obviously make money out of it. So you could go and say, right, in this whole value chain, bananas have got all these beautiful leaves. Banana has got 3 ones has bananas, you cut them off, and then you chop the one, they kind of stand there, 3. Then you chop the big one off, and next year there comes a small little baby, and you chop the next one off. So those leaves are just gone. Why don't we use banana leaves to make packaging? Why do we need to package onions to start with? Right? Why don't we just do like a campaign and sell the campaign? And farmers save money and everybody saves money because we don't put onions in a packet. We just tie them on the little string and put a little hookie there made out of our banana leaves. And we can pay weavers to make, there's different ways to do these things. But you need to get a creative way to solve your problem. And then you have 5 minutes to sell that solution to me. And how do you sell the solution? You start to say, have you ever put your hand in a plastic bag and felt a rotten onion? I know a lot of you have. Okay. Now, if we take what we've learned about that little purple onion and we apply it to research, so that's why we use the onion example. It's also a good idea. If somebody wants to solve that problem for me, I'd be helpful. Okay, so if we look on your screen, you will see what something is called a research onion. So it's by Mark Saunders. I see that he has had like over 100,000 citations now that he is retiring at the end of the year. And this is how we look at research. Research, you also break the onion apart, right? And you start from the outside in, just the same way that we did in HR Bias up till now. We started from the outside in, right? We started stakeholders and we build it closer to get to the problem. Now, when you set up your research methodology for any research, you have a problem and you need to answer the problem, the same that we did now. And to do that, you need to open this research onion. So, how do you start? You start from outside in. First, you look at the different philosophies. A philosophy leads then to the approach. Are you going to go deductive or inductive? That leads then to your strategies. That leads to your choice of different methodologies and the time and the way that you will analyze and describe your data. Understand? Everything breaks down. That's called then, and use a specific color, the golden thread. If we go back one slide, right? Or doesn't want to record going back. If you look at the other thing that we start with, the research onion, the HR buzz onion, it also has to be a golden thread linking things together. So just remember that when you choose who are you going to interview. Don't fake interviews. Don't fake people to do interviews. Do them right, because if you do this right, you can start a business. There's actually a competition that I'm hoping that we are done in time for, that you guys can participate in, and we can get different engineers and people involved and actually start a business and help solve the problems that we have here in South Africa. So I hope the onion story that I promised makes sense. Okay, guys, ciao, bye.